Hello everyone, I hope everybody's having a wonderful evening. I've come out here in my backyard and I thought I'd just walk around and look at some of my trees and plants. The first one I'm showing you is a lavender and chartreuse daylily. It's almost purple in this center part around the chartreuse. These daylilies are very good bloomers and they bloom so well in the summertime and they're just absolutely beautiful. They come back every year. They go dormant, they die down after they quit blooming in the fall, and they come back every year, and every year they come back they're always thicker and with more blooms. I just planted them when I bought them and put a little potting soil down in the hole, watered it, and that's all I did to them. Super easy. These are another variety that I have here. These always bloom late spring, early summer. They're a bright orange with a real dark yellow in the center, and then the beautiful stamens with black and yellow on them and white running through the blossom as well. Okay, now this plant here is a hot poker or torch lily. This is the first year that I've had this plant. I got a piece from a bigger plant that my mother had, and I brought it up here where I live and I planted it. I'm hoping it will bloom this time. When it does bloom, I'll show you all how beautiful it is, and then I'll give you the instructions how to grow a torch lily or red hot poker, whatever you want to call it. Okay, the evening time I think is a beautiful time of day right after supper. I like to go out and have a little walk around in my yard, as well as the first walk of the day, which I do in the mornings. I love hearing the birds and things. Well, let me back up. I want to show you all this time. Now, I hope it picks up on camera. This is the mimosa tree with these beautiful pink feather-like blooms. They are so beautiful. At the edge of the woods is where this one's at, and this one just came up. If you buy them, they're pretty expensive, but they can be evasive, and I'll do more detail on that. I do have a mimosa video that I made earlier when I was starting my channel, but I didn't give that much information on them. But let me see if I can get